Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of a Friday, almost weekend, Friday, February the 26th, 2021. The third Sudoku is a binary puzzle. Number 2388. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 here. I do not know in which order, but this is the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Between 2 ones comes 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 an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. If I place the 1 here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. And then between 2 ones comes an O. Then do we need to compare? That's the question. Well. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place a number 4 here, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then double O. Need to compare 3. I think I need to compare. Do we have a double? Yeah. This row and that row. 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So we need to switch these two digits. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With a O there, this should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright, great binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.